Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out a couple of products on Realme's latest TechLife line. Now the TechLife line basically is Realme's range of home products, and that includes like your vacuum cleaners, your air purifiers, and even some robotic vacuum cleaners. So there's a couple of stuff there that Realme is introducing, and most importantly, these devices are all being introduced at a very affordable price point. Now today I have here two products only, and we're going to be checking out first and foremost the Air Purifier, and then I'll show you very quickly their latest vacuum cleaner, just in case you need those for your home. Alright, let's just begin very quickly with the Air Purifier that I have right here. Now this device is starting from RM399 that will be launched on 18 October. Anyways, regarding the product, it's pretty standard here. What you get is this very standard air purifier. What it does is it basically sucks in the air into these gaps and these holes right here, and then it shoots it out through these gaps on the top here through its fans. Now, if you take a look at the top section panel over here, what you can see is that we do have a couple of buttons that are actually very easy to operate. Obviously, you have your power on button, you also have your auto button right here, and what auto does is that it basically sets the device to detect the quality of your air before setting the kind of speeds that should go in for the device. Apart from that, if I just hit the auto button right here, it will also start blinking in green, yellow, and red. Now this will actually tell you the quality of your air, obviously green being the best, yellow being not so good, and red being the worst. Now over to the other side here, we also have a moon button right here, and what that basically means is that it will reduce the fan to a level 1 speed just to make sure that everything is quiet, and apart from that, all the LEDs here will go off so it does not disturb you at night. Last but not least, you also have a timer button over here, and you can set these fans to turn off at different time intervals. You have a couple of intervals right here. I think it's 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours that you can set for this device to turn off automatically. So very standard and very easy to use here, 4 single buttons. To remove the casing at the front here is actually a soft touch kind of feel. So you just press it very gently and you're able to open up this case right here. And notice on the insides, this is where you get into like the filter. There is a HEPA filter right here that you can see right beneath this thing that is also washable. So very easy to use here. Again, everything is just installed very easily, so you don't have to be like a technical expert to use any of these devices right here. So that is just in terms of the air purifier. Honestly speaking, in my room right here, in this particular space, it is quite a small space, and I've been using it for almost 2 or 3 days now. My room is super dusty and I always see a lot of dust on my monitor, on my table and all that, but I have not really seen a drastically reduce in dust on all my tables and all that. So I'm not really sure, maybe it's because I'm not using it for long enough or something like that. But again, this is just a very quick look at this device. Also, I should also point out that the fan speeds can get pretty loud if you go to level 2 or level 3. So just bear that in mind. Level 1 is very quiet, you barely hear it at all, but level 2 and level 3 definitely is quite strong, and you can hear it quite annoyingly on the sides there. Alright guys, so now that we're done with the air purifier, let's take a very quick look at the Realme vacuum cleaner. Now this thing here is actually quite interesting because the first thing that I noted when I picked it up for the first time was that it is actually very lightweight. So according to the website again, the vacuum cleaner that I have right here is approximately less than 1.5 kilograms. And it does come with a couple of these tools right here that you can change to vacuum different kind of stuffs. So obviously when you see right here, what you can see is that this one is used to vacuum up very narrow spaces. You also have the very standard typical this kind of roller to, you know, vacuum your floors and all that. And the cool part about this roller here is that at the front, it does come with LED lights. So you can actually shine it across your floor to make sure you actually get those dust off your floor very easily. So those lights are really bright, and if you have any bugs like under your fridge or anything, you might actually be able to see it using this vacuum cleaner right here. Now last but not least, the final tool that came in the box is also this guy right here. Obviously, all you need to do is just remove it very easily. Let me just show it to you. So remove it and just swap this different cap in and you can use it right away. Now in terms of battery life, Realme is saying that on the standard mode, you get about 40 minutes of use time, and on the high powered mode, you get 20 minutes of use time. So I guess that's pretty standard these days with all these kind of vacuum cleaners. There is only 2 modes, by the way, and one thing I did notice was that it was quite loud. Let me just turn it on for you to hear it. So yep, that is level 2, and this is level 1. Yeah, pretty interesting device. I like it that it's again very lightweight and very easy to use. You also get a washable HEPA filter inside here. So pretty standard stuff. That's what we always see in vacuum cleaners these days. But those are the two products that I wanted to show you guys today. Alright guys, thank you for staying with me in my kitchen here and looking at these home products. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. Like this video if you like the kitchen. And yes, I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!